Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So find my device isn't work on Windows 11. So how to fix? So first method, re-enable location setting, Windows key and click to setting, then select privacy and location service. Click to locations and if on off service, let's pass access to all options. Okay, then again to yes. Okay, then close it. Second options, again press to Windows, then click select setting, then guys click to network and internet, and then VPN. Okay, so if there any connected VPN, so firstly right click to remove, and otherwise select VPN connection. Do you want to disable? So click drag and drop menu and the remove. Okay, then close it. Scan viruses, open Windows security, otherwise you can search directly Windows security and threat and protections, scan options, slow down, full options. So this is Microsoft Defender offline, take up minimum 15 minutes. You can, and might you have to click scan right now, scan now. Okay, and then wait few minutes. Okay guys, all steps to follow.